Hello, my name is Chef Henry, and I will be making a salami and cheese wrap. First, you'll take the tortilla, and then you take the salami, and then you take the cheese, and then you wrap it up.
Wow! How did you learn how to roll up a tortilla?
I knew it.
Wow! And then what do you do?
And then you put a toothpick in.
Oh, and why do you put the toothpick in?
Because if you don't put the toothpick in, then your wrap's going to fall all apart again.
Oh dear, that would be very messy. I wouldn't like that. And now what do you do?
Now you eat it.
That is the best part. Yeah, whoa, I thought it was to hold 10 fingers up. 2 thumbs up and an extra finger. That must be really delicious.
Like this, Henry.
Let's give Chef Henry a big round of applause. That was awesome.
Take another.